Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present a new topic called RoboCompass with the tagline Geometric Constructions Made Easy. These videos are dedicated to all the maths teachers. This will help them in utilizing geometrical instruments like compass, protractor, scale, set square, divider, and show how to make the constructions and other geometrical representations easily on the online sessions or the videos. Before starting the session, I request all the viewers, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon to get notification of all my videos. So let's proceed. What is this RoboCompass? Where it is used, how it is used, and what are the benefits? There will be multiple videos, short videos for each topic, for each of the construction. Request you to watch all the videos to get the full control of this RoboCompass, the free tool available for all the teachers and the academic enthusiasts. So let's proceed further. First, open the browser and type www.robocompass.com. So here I am opening the browser and typing robocompass.com. It will take you to the website where you can see the teach and learn the geometrical constructions, transformations, patterns, and tessellations. So this RoboCompass is a tool which helps you to create all the geometric constructions. So let's understand how to use it. So in the browser, you type robocompass.com/app. You can observe here on the top, robocompass.com/app, and press enter. Once you enter, you'll see this interface. This is the main interface of robocompass.com. Let me explain all the parts. See here on the top there is a logo. Here you can see all the examples to create different constructions. The next comes is the document title, and here is examples of how to do each command available in the robocompass.com. Before starting creating anything, please sign in to save your work. Otherwise, if you do something and if you leave, it will not get saved. So click on sign in to save to work. It will ask you to enter the email or phone number. You can sign in with Google. So I entered my email address. I press enter. Next it asks for the password, and then it validates your login. Now it creates your account. So your name appears here. Then some other buttons are added. So you can click on this save button now and save each of your work. So click on save. While clicking on save, it says there is no command. So first you have to create one command. Here in the interface on the left side, the first one is delete. So whatever commands you have entered, if you are in one line, you can click on this and delete it. The next comes executing all the commands one by one. So play all. Then when you are executing it, this becomes red. If you click on this, the execution stops. Now if you want the full space for your work, you can hide the menu. So when you click on this, it gets short. Now if you want to see the menu again, click on this show button. It shows all the menus. On the right side, you can see the home icon. Click on this, it takes you to the RoboCompass main page, web page. Then if you click on this second button on the right side, it goes to the full screen. So I'm clicking on this. So now it is on the full screen. There is no browser bars and all. If you want to come back to the normal view, click on this exit full screen button. It comes to the normal mode. Now there are two modes. One is grid mode and other one is plain sheet mode. Now you are on grid mode, so you can see all the x and y axis, plus and minus positions. It is like a graph sheet. If you don't want to see this, click on this, hide grid. It becomes to plain sheet. So it is a toggle button. You can click and unclick to toggle between graph sheet and plain sheet. Now this is 3D. You can turn it anyways. You can move the cursor and turn it anyways. If you move the cursor down, move the cursor up, all these things happen. If you don't want this to happen, if it is disturbing, click on this 2D, then your sheet becomes fixed. It will not move at all. It will be in the same position. If you want to go back again, toggle by clicking the 2D button. So this is all about the interface of the robocompass.com. In next video, we will start with one by one commands. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up icon. And also, if you think this is good and interesting, please share with your all teacher friends who will be happy to utilize this. Click on the share button and share with all your friends. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and also click on the bell notification to get the notifications. Thanks for watching. Watch more videos on this channel. I have released many videos on leadership, do you know series, business series, Microsoft Excel, and many more to come. So please subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.